Just going to show you around this 2018 18 plate Mitsubishi Outlander that I've just taken in part exchange. Finished in pearl white with only 2 owners from new. Covered just under 40,000 miles. 2 keys. Full service history. We've just given it an oil change and 1 year's MOT. Got privacy glass to the rear. Black and diamond cut alloy wheels. Black leather and Alcantara leather interior with light grey stitching. Automatic gearbox with paddle shift gear change. Got heated front seats and reverse camera and cruise control. Onto the service history. We've just given it a service and a year's MOT. Full book pack. We've also got the charger for it there. Onto the interior. Mileage today 39,591. Wheels and tyres, good order as you can see. So there we have it, our 2018 Outlander plug-in hybrid. Thanks for watching.